going on, guys? Finally back into the Uinta Mountains, and I am with Corbin from the Wasatch Gear Review, all the way over there. And I got a new friend, Haggard. He's somewhere over there. What's up? But yeah, it's only 3:15 right now, and we've got plenty of time to do a lot of different things. I'm hanging out in the Lux Hex Peak on this trip. It's awesome up here. Sure is nice to just sit and enjoy sitting around camp and just hanging out. Get some water and just enjoy ourselves.
Brian, you're just worried about all the beaver poop.
I know this lawyer. What are you worried about?
Beaver poop.
I know, you didn't know I was a germaphobe.
Bunch of hooligans. That's what we got going on here. I am on the hunt for water. Well, it's dinner time, and it's also film yourself cooking dinner time with a bunch of YouTubers. I cannot tell you how psyched I am about this Solo Stove light. The flame was totally out, completely out, and just had like some coals that were still hot, obviously, but I put sticks back in there and did not blow on it, did not touch it at all, and poof, flame. That thing is freaking cool. We'll show you guys the tent setup. This is the Lux Hiking Gear Hex Peak. Show you what's inside. Now that I got everything all prepped for sleeping tonight. This is the Hex Peak, like I said, with the 1.5 person inner. And then I've got all my gear here just on a small ground sheet. I love how much space is on the inside of this thing. Very roomy. And then the Xped Ultralight, 32 comfort rating, 23 degree. And the Xped Sinmat HL Winter for the sleeping pad. Well, I've had my first drone accident on my body. I went to land the drone and I hit the propellers with my finger, and it still hurts. The joys. And it's starting to rain. And we got a fourth person. Amos, Backpacker Diaries, just showed up. So, four's the crowd. Three's company, four's company.
I watched your
What is it?
train video.
Four's awesome. We're in rain scatter mode. started to rain, and it's let up a little bit now ever since we moved everything, but there's Amos being a hero. First time meeting Amos. It's always nice to meet new people.
Good to meet you too, Devin. What are you thinking?
Well, I was just gonna. You said you had six. I was just gonna focus around this thing. What's on the end of that?
Assuming there's a drum up there.
Yeah. So loop that onto the top.
I was gonna say, I got.
I don't know that you want to cut this cord in half either.
I don't care. I found it.
Let's cut it in half.
So I'm ready to like, you know, sacrifice it to the cause.
Look what I built, Mom.
It works.
It only came crashing down one time.
Yep.
But we got a sunset going. Yeah, baby.
Oh, rise and shine.
Well, the Hex Peak killed it last night. A little bit of rain. It's awesome. It's about 7:30 in the morning right now. Man, what a beautiful morning it's been. We are now walking out. The original plan was to just kind of hang out for a little bit, but kind of changed our minds and we're gonna change things up a little bit, hike out together as a group, and then Amos and I are gonna go do a little day hike together because the other two boys have to go get back to home sooner than I do, so. We are getting close to the trailhead, which means it's time to call it quits. Time to say goodbye till another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Had a great time on this trip. Good company and beautiful place. Good stuff. See you on the next one.